Hi, creative team. Welcome to Ellie's Creative Corner. Thank you so much to those who have subscribed. To those who haven't, please subscribe so that you're notified of any of my upcoming videos. And today we have created this lovely looking tilapia, which has been baked and not fried, and it's been served nicely with a Ghanaian local dish. So you can see here we have our tilapia cut up nicely, and to that we add 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and this is the rock sea salt that we find in the shops. And so if you don't have it, just use the normal table salt or any salt that you prefer. We add our spices to the fish that we've cut up, and you can see that there are different spices that I have in this bowl, and so please go to the description box and have all the list of the spices that I use. I toss them all up and make sure that I have all the spices nicely incorporated into my fish, and then I add 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil. I prefer to use olive oil, but please use any oil that you prefer. And then I stir it all up to make sure that I have the oils onto the tilapia. With this stage as well, you can use your hands. I just prefer to use my silicone spatula because it's still flexible enough to have the oils and the spices rubbed onto the tilapia, as you can see. So I've layered my baking tray, and I'm placing my tilapia upright onto the baking tray. The reason why the tilapia pieces are placed upright is just so that when the baking process is going on, it can crisp up the skin nicely, and then it cooks evenly. So I don't have to be flipping the tilapia around. But if you can't get it upright, well, you can just place it on the skin side and make sure that you flip it at least once or twice to make sure you have an evenly crisp skin. So once that is all done, I turn my oven on to 200 degrees and bring it down to 185 degrees to make sure that I have my tilapia cooking on an even heat. So the 200 degrees I set it on is just to heat up the oven, and then I bring it down to 180 to 185 just so that I can bake my tilapia. But depending on your oven setting, you may have to adjust every now and then so you don't have burnt tilapia. So as you can see, the tilapia has been cooked and it looks golden brown and delicious, and it looks crispy on the sides. And also you would notice that when the cooking process was done, it was almost looking like the tilapia was being fried if you take a few steps back. And then I opened it up and you can see it's really juicy. And then it's been served here nicely with our local Ghanaian dish, which is banku. And so please try it and let me know. Please also subscribe to my channel, Ellie's Creative Corner, and like and share my videos. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.